I Nick Excel, you find it on my Discord. I wrote it in the chat. He writes many times in the mindset and psychology section. Let me know if you are able to connect with him, because he takes care of people that want to upgrade usually. Hey Edward, is there something in understanding smart money that you find game changing and make you understand better the market? So, what I would say that is game changing is really the mindset and the discipline. This is game changing. Other than that, concepts that helped me the most are liquidity for sure, internal and external liquidity. The other thing is for sure fake change of characters and smart money liquidity, because smart money traders at the end of the day are still not profitable. So focus on thinking outside the box and focus on understanding why the majority of the traders are still losing money. Are there more questions? Yeah, there are. Do you recommend starting a challenge in February, or should I wait? If you are ready, if you are consistent, start it. February is good. January was also good. We booked 12% in the signal channel, so it's good. Are you considering creating a general chat for members? For now, no. I have a chat for funded accelerated members, which have my biggest package. They can come here to the office, trade with me, look at the podcasts, go around with me and get to ask me questions in person and trade with us, with the team. And they have access to the chat as well, but we don't have a chat for the Discord. How much chart time and trades per week do you recommend for a break-even trader? There is no right or wrong. Trust me, you can take one trade per week, you can take 15 trades per week, but it can still be profitable or non-profitable. So there is no right or wrong. You just need to find the edge that you have with your strategy, execute it, and be disciplined with that. I will answer to the last questions. What do you think about Bitcoin? Was 15, 16K the bottom? I'm in real FOMO because I always thought Bitcoin would drop more. Please guys, don't ever think this way. You must have a plan. Just like trading with cryptos, you must have a plan. What I did, my approach to cryptos is I set prices where I want to enter. So while we were going down, I bought at 25K. Then I got another entry at 19K. And then I was like, okay, if we go lower, I will buy at 12K. If we don't, and we go higher, and we go to profit, and we go to all-time highs, I'm in profit. So I win either way. I either get better entry prices, lower, or I go to profit. So this is how I approach cryptos. You should never FOMO. You should never have fear of missing out. Doesn't make sense. You must develop a plan. People that have a plan make money. People that don't have a plan don't make money.